How's it going, guys? This is Jack with Contemporary Automotive in Milford. Just wanted to show you how to remote start your Mopar vehicle. Of course, the easiest way to do it is right here on the key. All you gotta do is press the button twice, as long as your key does have that button with a little ×2 on there with the circle around it. Very easy. This vehicle is now running. It is a 4xe, so it's kind of hard to tell. But of course, you've got your air conditioner going inside with 3% charge because I just plugged the vehicle in. But it is running and ready to go. The only thing I need to do now is go inside the vehicle and press the start stop button one more time just to confirm that I am inside the car and ready to drive. The other way to remote start your vehicle is to simply go on your phone onto the Uconnect app that you should have gotten for free with the purchase of any of your vehicles from this dealership, and all you got to do is press remote start. Your vehicle should start right up within seconds. There is obviously the option to lock it and unlock it as well. And of course, you do have your panic button on there. You can actually find your vehicle. A lot of cool stuff to be found on the Uconnect app. If you do have any questions, let me know. My number is 603-213-5004. Thank you.